16 DIY outdoor storage ideas. A storage box is the most obvious solution for creating DIY outdoor storage, and this free plan will show you just how to build one. While the inside is perfect for storage, the outside is elevated with trim, making it look like a nice piece of furniture that you might purchase. The top can be used as a bench to sit on or as a coffee table. Sneak in some extra storage to your patio end tables with this free project. You'll start out with a crate and then repurpose it into a table that has storage inside. It will be the perfect place to store your outdoor dishes or family games. Here's another way to store ride-on toys outside, with a covered kiddie parking garage. This one is hidden under a table and a curtain is used to tuck everything away and out of sight. This beautiful storage box would look great outside on a patio or deck. It's an easy build, using just one sheet of plywood for the basic box. Pine trim is used for the decorative inlay, which really makes this project shine. This outdoor bench is not only a great place to sit and relax when you're outdoors, but it has a ton of hidden storage right under the seats. This DIY outdoor storage solution gives you a whopping 5 sections of storage that no one will even know is there. This plan shows you how to build a simple DIY table that could fit perfectly into an alcove of the house. Underneath the table is where all the outdoor toys and bikes can go. An optional curtain can be added to keep everything hidden away. This beautiful outdoor coffee table pulls double duty as a place where you can put your feet up or set your drink on. Open up the top of the table and there's a lot of room for you to store patio cushions or whatever else you'd like to store outside. Here's a DIY outdoor storage idea for all the outdoor or garage toys that your children might have. It's really a two-tiered bench that would look great outside, or you could even use it inside to corral toys. The lips on the shelves make it a great place to store anything that might roll away, like toy trucks or balls. This DIY outdoor storage idea starts with a basic dresser from IKEA. Add some outdoor paint and wheels, and you have a great place to store gardening and yard tools, candles, and whatever else you need to tuck away. You could even use the top of the dresser as a potting bench. Kids can collect a lot of bikes, trikes, scooters, and other ride-on toys that make sense to keep outside. A lot of these can really get to be an eyesore, so having a place to store all of them is a great idea. This bike storage shed is the perfect solution. Kids will love that their bikes have a place to park, and you'll love that everything is picked up and put in its place. Have your patio furniture do double duty with this outdoor modular bench that has a ton of storage just under the benches. It's a huge storage space, and you'll even be able to fit large storage containers. If you have a grill, consider building an outdoor barbecue island. It will not only give you a place to prep while you're cooking, but it will also give you some additional storage for grill tools and cooking items. You'll be thrilled at how handy it is to have all these items in their own place while you're cooking outdoors. If you have kids, then you know how quickly outdoor toys can get out of control. This treasure chest toy box is an easy solution to keep the clutter put away and out of sight. Included in this free plan are the building instructions as well as directions on how to add the fun vinyl pirate treasure illustrations. 4 crates are arranged in an interesting configuration to form a coffee table in this project. Each crate gives you a place to tuck something away. Wheels are attached to the bottom so you can easily move it wherever you like. These patio storage cabinets are the perfect solution to an outdoor kitchen, but also can be used in any outdoor area. Standard base cabinets are used and the doors are given a fresh coat of paint before being ready to use. This outdoor firewood rack is the perfect way to store any wood you might need for your wood stove, grill, or fire pit. This wood storage shed even has a separate place for kindling to be stored. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.